Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my new video. So guys, in this video we will discuss about one pencil that you should not use in your artistic life. So which pencil is it? We'll discuss in this video, I'll tell you. So for more information about this pencil, watch this video till the end. But before starting this video, let's know my name. My name is Yash and you're watching interesting channel, The Art of Use. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe because there are more interesting videos on this channel. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start today's video title. You should not use this pencil. So first of all, this pencil is very good for beginner and because it's cheap and easily available in any stationery shop. It's Apsara brand drawing pencil. So this is the brand which I'm saying, the Apsara brand, and means I'll tell you. And first point is the lead brick. Whenever I sharp this pencil, hardly HB and 2B is pointly sharp, or else 8B, 4B, 6B, or also 10B is facing with lead break. So this is my first point of lead break because these pencils are very smooth, and because of this smoothness we are facing with the lead break issue. So this is my first point. Hyper-realistic or realistic artworks, it contains highlights, mid-tones and shadows. And shadows are important, so for that we want dark pencils, and because of the lead break we can't. So and 4B is also very light, as much we expect. It's not dark, it's very light. And so because of this reason I stopped using this pencil and I started using an amazing brand named Camlin pencils, and these are literally amazing pencils. I have drawn many of hyper realistic work, and recently I have done amazing hyper realistic work. So you can see your and it's just with the Camlin brand. Okay, and it's the Camlin pencils are amazing, and Camlin 4B. Okay, if I show you this like this, we got in Camlin brand pencils. So this is the Camlin 4B, and it's a little dark as compared to the Apsara brand. And if I show you the 10B of both brands, so here if I show, this part is gone by sharpening, and this is the bestest pencil for me. But I'll tell you the advantage of this, why I have purchased Apsara brand, and I'll tell you. So basically, Apsara brand is good for beginners because it's as I have tell you that it's easily available in market, and it's very cheap. It's just in 40 rupees maybe. Yes, it's 40 rupees, and in that same price, but 45 rupees, we get this Camlin brand. If you want, you can try both pencil, but if you are listening to me, I use this Camlin brand, and you can see some of my works, amazing works by the Camlin brand. And personally I like this Camlin brand as compared to the Apsara brand. There are many more other brands also, like Tombow and Faber-Castell, like that, are in market. So we'll also review that pencils, and now what I personally like the Camlin pencil. So that's all in this video, but we'll meet in next video with new topic and new interesting tips and information. So till that, happy sketching, do sketching. And if you want to know how is this Camlin pencil, click here. I have reviewed about the Camlin pencils, and for more tutorials video of mine, I have many of tutorial video. I have made one playlist particular for this. Click here. Okay, thank you and subscribe here.